Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing Unity Hub and the specific Unity LTS version VRChat requires. This avoids version mismatch later. Once done, create a fresh 3D project in Hub and include any platform modules you expect to deploy to. Make sure you sign in to your VRChat account and save the SDK package where you can find it. This step is essential because you will import that package into the active project next. You then import the downloaded VRChat SDK package into your Unity project, letting Unity recompile and refresh assets. This can take a minute. Once imported, open the VRChat SDK control panel and authenticate with your account so the tools can access uploads. Next, configure project player settings and build target to match the content you'll create. Avatars versus worlds. Because uploading, you finish by using the SDK Content Manager to prepare and build your avatar or world, then upload directly from Unity. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm the package name and visibility. Once uploaded, test the asset in the VRChat client and look for missing textures or broken scripts. If things go wrong, make sure Unity version and SDK version match exactly. If problems persist, clear the library folder, re-import the project, and rebuild. This resolves most stubborn import or compilation errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.